Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Now, ask yourself this one question. Am I really living, or am I just existing? Everyone wants to travel the world. They want freedom, money, a peaceful mind, love, respect, happiness, a business they can call their own, a relationship that makes them feel alive, and a life that feels worth living. But here's the brutal truth. Your life is not happening because you want it. It's happening because of what you're doing right now. Are you still endlessly scrolling? Still watching random videos and wasting your time? Still making excuses for why you can't start? Still sleeping late? Still scared of failure? Still hoping things will magically change? Listen carefully. This is real life. You don't get a second chance. You are not reborn to try again. This is your life. This is your only life.
Right now. Today.
This moment. So in this video, I'm not going to give you soft, fake motivation. I'm going to give you a mirror. A mirror that shows you what you're avoiding, what you're wasting, and what you're capable of becoming. You want to change your life. You want to speak better English. You want to earn more money, become confident, powerful, and unstoppable. Then don't just watch this video. Feel it. Live it. Let it hit your soul like a storm. And if this is the kind of real, no excuses talk you need, subscribe now. We don't just teach English. We help you change your life. So let's begin. Let's learn how not to waste this one precious life you've been given. Let me say it clearly. You are not killing time. Time is killing you. Every time you say, "I'll do it tomorrow," you lose a slice of your life. Every time you spend another hour scrolling, every time you hit snooze and go back to sleep, you're not just being lazy. You're slowly destroying the future you said you wanted. You don't feel it now, but every second you lose never comes back. Your parents are getting older. Your dreams are waiting. But for how long are they willing to wait for you? Ask yourself honestly, what did you do yesterday? What did you do the day before? And what are you doing tomorrow? Still the same? Still waiting for someday? Someday is a lie. There's no warning. There's no message that says, your time is over. It just ends, and you'll be left with regret, the worst pain in the world. Here's what you must do right now. Write your daily plan. Focus on one thing that will move your life forward. Cut 1 hour of social media. Use that hour to read, learn, or grow. Because if you don't start respecting your time, your life will never change. Your life is your responsibility. Not your parents, not your friends, not your boss. You, only you. You hear people say, I don't have money, I don't have support, I don't have talent, I don't have time. These aren't reasons, they're excuses. The real winners in life didn't have everything. They had nothing, no money, no support, no guidance. But they had one thing, hunger, fire, the decision to change everything. Think about someone like Oprah Winfrey, born in poverty, abused as a child. Today, a billionaire, a legend. She didn't cry. She didn't blame. She built. You must do the same. Accept your story, but don't be a victim. Every day, say, I'm responsible for my life. Write your problems on paper. Then write one solution for each. Now take action, even if it's small, because you're not weak. You're not unlucky. You're just not using your power. Reality check. Your comfort zone is killing your dreams silently. You wake up, check your phone, watch videos, scroll, sleep, repeat. It feels easy. It feels safe. Because there is no growth in comfort. All success lives outside of it. You want to speak fluent English? Then start speaking. Even if you make 100 mistakes. You want to start a business? Then start. Even if you failed 10 times. Most people never start because they fear being uncomfortable. They're scared of failure, embarrassment, and people laughing. Let them laugh. Let them doubt you. But you keep moving.
Imagine hacer.
If it stays under the soil, it never becomes a tree. It must break through the ground. Face the sun. Face the wind. You must do the same. Action step. Do one uncomfortable thing every day. Speak English in front of a mirror. Post that video. Submit that application. Fail proudly, fail loudly, but fail forward, because nothing great ever came from staying safe. Let me be brutally honest. If you keep saying, "I'll do it later," you're lying to yourself. Later is the voice of laziness, of fear, of your weaker self that wants to keep you small. Every time you say, "I'll do it later," you're saying, "I don't really want this." The people who win in life don't say later. They say now.
Right now.
This second. Even if they're scared, even if they're not ready, because they know later becomes never. You say, "I want to learn English." Then do it now. You say, "I'll start a side hustle, read a book, fix my sleep, meditate." But when does later come? Tomorrow? Next month? Next year? Time doesn't wait for you. You don't get a warning. You just wake up older with fewer dreams and more regret. Here's your solution. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Whatever it is, start it now.
No overthinking.
No, I'm not ready. If you don't do it now, you probably never will. And one action now is better than 100 perfect plans later. Your mind is your greatest weapon and your worst enemy. Most people think too much and do nothing. You want to start a business? You think about it for months. You want to speak English? You watch videos, take notes, but never speak. You want to go to the gym? You plan. You buy clothes. You download apps. But you never go. You think so much that you run out of energy before even starting. You imagine failure before attempting anything. And you stay stuck. Here's the truth. You don't need to know everything to begin. You just need to begin. Do you want to improve your English? Stop watching motivational videos. Start speaking, writing, and listening every day. Speak in front of the mirror. Record your voice. Make mistakes on purpose. You don't need perfect English. You need action. Think for 10 minutes. Then act for the next 10 hours. Build momentum. Success doesn't come from thinking. It comes from doing. Stop being the lazy one. Stop complaining. Stop giving up. Be the guy who does what others don't. Be the guy who wakes up early when others sleep. Who studies when others party. Who speaks when others are scared. Who believes when others laugh. Who keeps going when others quit. Be the one who inspires without saying a word. Not everyone will believe in you. Not everyone will support you. And that's okay. You support you. You believe in you. People will say you've changed. Let them. You're not here to stay the same. You're here to grow, evolve, and become someone who doesn't need validation. In every group, there's one person who becomes big. The one who proves everyone wrong. Why not you? Why does success belong to someone else?
Be that guy.
Every morning, ask yourself, what would a disciplined man do today? Then do it. Dress like success. Talk like success. Walk like success. Don't reveal your plans. Let your results speak for you. Your greatest enemy is you. The part of you that says,
I'm tired.
It's okay to be average. Let's just relax. That version of you is the enemy. You face a daily battle. The lazy you versus the ambitious you. The scared you versus the brave you. The sleepy you versus the hungry you. Every day, you choose who wins. Imagine two wolves. One lazy, negative, full of doubt. The other strong, confident, and hungry. Which one grows stronger? The one you feed. Kill your lazy habits. Track your day. Write every time you choose growth over comfort. Slowly, your identity will change. This isn't a game. This is war. And it's you versus you. Willpower is your secret weapon. If you don't train it, your feelings will control your life. You don't feel like waking up early. You don't feel like working out. You don't feel like studying English. Then, you've just handed your future to your mood. Willpower means doing the right thing even when you don't feel like it. Even when your body says no, you say yes. People who succeed show up even when they're tired or scared, because they have willpower. It's like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Start small. Force yourself to do something you don't want to do. Rewards, not for avoiding pain, but for doing it anyway. The day you master your willpower is the day you take control of your life. If you keep comparing yourself to others, You'll never be happy. You see their highlight reels. You compare their 15-second success to your 24-hour struggle. You don't see their breakdowns, failures, or pain. You're comparing your inside with their outside.
Stop it.
Unfollow those who make you feel not enough. Focus on your journey. Your race is with yourself. Replace comparison with inspiration. You were born to be better than yesterday, not like someone else. Let's be clear. If you can't start now, you probably never will. There's no perfect time. There's no magical moment. The world doesn't wait. Opportunities don't wait. Time doesn't wait.
So, why are you?
You want to start your fitness journey? Start now. You want to learn English? Start now. You want to change your life? Start now. One small step today can be the beginning of a whole new life. Ask yourself, why not now? You won't find a real answer. And remember, regret hurts more than failure. If you want a future you're proud of, act now. Don't waste another second.